Lock application. Best used for vehicles, trailers, and RV hitch locks. Ease of use. Receiver lock features convenient push-to-lock locking mechanism. Push lock body firmly onto the pin and remove key. Durable design. Weather-tough seal and watertight cap provide protection from moisture and dirt. Hitch lock is rated for Class 3, IV 10,000 pound load. Specifications. Usable length of receiver pin is 3–1/2 in. Stainless steel lock fits 5/8 in. Receiver openings. Extended length shaft fits Toyota Tundra, Ford F-150, F-250, F-350, GMC, Chevy 2500, 3500s and Dodge trucks with heavy-duty tow packages. Includes 1 trailer reciver lock, 2 keys. The Master Lock No. 1469 DAT features a 5/8 inch, 16 mm, stainless steel barbell extended length receiver lock designed to fit Toyota Tundra, Ford F-150, F-250, F-350, GMC, Chevy 2500, 3500s and Dodge trucks with heavy-duty tow packages. The receiver lock includes the push-to-lock locking mechanism, easily used by pushing the lock body firmly onto the pin and removing the key. The weather-tough seal and watertight cap provides additional protection from moisture and dirt. Top reviews from the United States. Hard to lock. Lock looks great, easy to unlock. But it is very difficult to lock and the key is quite flimsy, easy to bend.